two dancers again. Mga kapuso. Ito na, habang nagre-recover pa. Mga kapuso, the Asian superstar from your favorite TV series, Media Garden, Ken Zhu. First of all, welcome to the Philippines. Welcome to SOP.
Hi, everyone.
Did you see Isa's band's number?
No, but I saw her with a costume in the backstage. Didn't recognize her.
Let's talk about the movie, Ken. Batanes. Yes. What can you expect when you film it?
The fattest side, I didn't really expect much. I love the script.
Nakaharang yung ano.
I really love the script. That's why the first time I see it, it turned out to be very well. I mean, it's very fun. I had a lot of fun working with Lisa and other crew. It turned out to be one of the best movies that I've done.
Really? I heard you enjoyed the place, Batanes, really well. Is that true?
Yeah, I love that place.
And how was it working with Miss Isa Arsato?
Yes, you are. It's like the paradise. It's like the lost paradise on earth. And it's really fun working with Lisa. We had a lot of fun every day.
Okay, before we invite them to the movie, you wanna say anything to all your fans?